Changzhou Luckyway Metal Technology Company Limited was established in October 2017. The company is a cooperation company of Changzhou Sungjing Precision Machinery Company Limited. The factory has its own production line. The semi-automatic production workshop covers an area of 2,800 square meters. Includes welding workshop, CNC lathe workshop, CNC milling machine workshop, quality control office, packaging, and assembly workshop. There are many high-precision equipment to ensure quality of products. Dimension measuring equipment, 3D mapping instrument. Production equipment, 5-axis machining center, CNC lathe. Welding equipment, argon arc welding machine. Cutting equipment, laser cutting, and waterjet cutting, pipe bending machine. Punching machine. Luckyway is specialized in all kinds of custom motorcycle accessories, auto accessories, and metal welding accessories. Luckyway is now trading their products worldwide. The factory is a research and development, production, international trade, domestic sales, and other integrated high-tech company. The factory is the designated manufacturer of many internationally renowned companies. Our products are sold directly to the European and American markets. All products are 100% inspected during production to ensure product quality. At Luckyway, the customer will always come first. We are the get it done, no problem OEM manufacturer supplier that you want on your team. Welcome your inquiry and visit.